What you'll learn: how to use AI tools to generate a video script, turn the script into a voiceover, create a complete video automatically. Perfect for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, business promos, or tutorials. Step 1. Generate the script with AI. 2. Repeat what we're using now prompt to use. Write a 60-second video script explaining your topic in a simple, engaging way for beginners. Example topics: how AI can help small businesses in Nigeria, 3 mistakes new entrepreneurs make. How logistics businesses can grow with technology. Result: you get a ready-made script. Step 2. Convert script to AI voiceover. Tool: 11 Labs or any AI voice tool. What to do: 1. Paste your script. 2. Choose a natural voice, male, female. 3. Generate and download audio. Tip: choose a calm, clear voice for tutorials and business content. Step 3. Turn script plus voice into a video automatically. Tool: Pictory AI or similar text-to-video AI. How it works: 1. Paste your script or upload the voiceover. 2. AI automatically selects video scenes, adds subtitles, matches visuals to your words. 3. Choose video style: business, cinematic, social media. 4. Export your video. No camera. No editing stress. Step 4. Polish with AI, optional but powerful. You can change fonts and colors to match your brand. Add background music, low volume, insert your logo or brand name. For accesslogics, stick to clean fonts, tech, business visuals, short, clear captions. Step 5. Post like a pro. Best formats: YouTube 16:9, Facebook and Instagram Reels 9:16. Caption idea: AI is changing how we create content. Here's how you can do it without stress. Why this matters: saves time, no expensive equipment, perfect for educational content, business marketing, tutorials, and faceless videos. Scales fast if you post consistently.